with a pambansang awit to be led by founder Gemini. I'd like to call on Founder Goodfaith to lead us the pambansang awit. Please stand, everybody.
Kayang magiliw na awit, kayang magiliw, bersaksi langanan, alap ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, luyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulubig, di ka pasisir, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong pugaw, may laghang tula at awit sa pagdayang minamahal, ang isang watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niyang kailan para may magdidiling, lupa ng araw ng mahal ipagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pagmay ng api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Daghang salamat, Founder Goodfaith. Please remain standing, and I would like to call on Ener Tagar Albizar for to lead the panunumpa sa awit.
Please raise your right hand and follow firm. Panunumpa ng katapatan sa watawat. Ako ay Pilipino. Buong katapatan nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na ipinakikilos ng sambayanang maka-Diyos, maka-tao, maka-kalikasan at maka-bansa.
Daghang salamat. Now we would like to sing the National Solidarity Hymn to be led by Dante Founder Meldan Rodriguez. Please.
National Solidarity, we say. National Solidarity, National Consciousness, National Emancipation, the noble guardians of our soul. We shall not be moved. We shall not be moved. The God of guardians is the and guide all our ways and proud. People left behind us, we shall not be moved. People left behind us, we shall not be moved. The God of guardians unite us all our ways and proud.
Daghang salamat. The reading of the preamble by N.F. Joy Dixon. Founder 09.
Hello.
Okay, please repeat after me. We, the Jablo Guardians, formerly known to be the Jablo members, believing on the tenets of democratic principle, increasing the level of our hope and faith for the divine providence, inculcating in our minds in the belief of paternal doctrines of brotherhood, offering justice, peace, discipline,
Discipline. Service and equality for our fellow men. Drafting and promulgate this constitution bylaws.
Salamat. Please have a seat. Everybody please sit down. While we call on our Chief Elder, Roberto Master Founder, Oro Balconsa, to give us the welcome address. Please sit down, everybody.
Magandang yung tanan, mga brothers, sisters, so kung mga bisita sa laing lugar, sorry kayo nga akong ato, saling may napunot ng maduna, di, nalain akong pulo, kung may nalain nila, so sorry kayo sa akong mga kauban sa council elders. So, pasalamat kung ako nga tamo, nga kalaing lugar, nga isang layo, biyahe ta, yan ka, kung kay kang atong himo nga espesyal at simli karon, mapuman niya kay paano man takay naman naman ang term sa nagitawag na itong acting prime minister, so mag-ilit kang bakong prime minister. So I welcome everybody in this occasion. May buntag, salamat.
Maraming salamat, Master Founder Oro Balconsa. And now we would like to call on Master Founder Felipe Hanlangit for the declaration of the Special National Assembly. Please, welcome.
By virtue of the power vested on me as acting Prime Minister of the DJMI, the Special National Assembly is now open.
Thank you, Mr. Founder Hanlangit. We'd like to call on the National Executive Director, NLX Elias Durban, for the recognition of officials.
May muntag sa tanan. We acknowledge the presence of the members of the Council of Elders. M.F. Oro Balconsa Wandaswan, Chief Elder. M.F. Aquiles Fuentes Wandaswan, Deputy Chief Elder. M.F. Malinchi Pueblas, Wandas 9, Secretary General. Members of the Council, M.F. Salvador Bahian, Wandas 3. M.F. Servando Beliesas, Wandas 5. M.F. Aris Calica, Wandas 7. M.F. Mercenario Burgos, Wandas 8. Our acting Prime Minister, M.F. Apagi. Our acting Senior Deputy Prime Minister, N.F. Ax Escorial. Minister of Justice, Attorney Galaxy Huwayan. Attorney Malalang. Minister of Information, N.F. Lumarvin de la Cruz. Minister of Membership and Promotion, N.F. Pencil Buntoyan. Minister of Audit, N.F. Watari Kaanaman. Minister of Finance, N.F. Pinal Apostol. Chapters who are present today, the Baguio District Chapter, Manilo District Chapter, Tombok District Chapter, please stand. Tagum City Chapter, Palinan District Chapter, Baguio District Chapter, Malamag Chapter, Malaybalay Chapter, Puril District Chapter. Iligan City Founding Chapter. So, thank you.
Daghang salamat, NFTDS. Palakpakan natin sa NFTDS. And now, we'd like to call on the floor leader of our Special National Assembly. We'd like to call on Muhammad Samsudin Dante NFO Pro Simangan.
Thank you, RNG Maui, the chapter president of Tumbuk District Chapter. We have already checked the attendance with our National Executive Director. Aside from that, just last night, he called me up by Joey Dixon. He will try his best to be here today, despite of some problems in his area. But he said that he will be sending a confirmatory letter that they will abide with the decisions of this assembly today. Santo Tomas also be there. They mentioned that they are also coming, but I think they cannot come anymore. Kaya mulagwa pa sila mularga gikan ito hantod karong adlaw, hantod karong orasa. But they will also abide with the decision of the majority of this assembly, including Manila. Manila, I think, called up already our executive director through NF Smile and Lawi. Will be coming here. Lawi will be coming here today. Pero kung nagawa ko man kabot po, siguro basig ang isakya nila. Basig naman. Kapit pa sa kwan.
Iskala pa siguro.
Only in all areas, only Visayas have not confirmed their participation because we have just organized 3 new chapters in the Visayas. That is in Iloilo, Tangkiki, and Calibog. Bago lang sila na-organize dito about 2 months ago. So, thank you sila kandidinig. But as far as the Special Assembly is concerned, we are on quorum in as much as basing on the registered and confirmed chapter after the convention in Iligan last March. No? Last March in Iligan, because we give them a communication, a memorandum through our acting Prime Minister and the Council of Elders and our acting Minister Promotions and Membership that they will be submitting the confirmation and roster. Only those who submitted the roster before the deadline of April 30, no? April 30, based on the memorandum, kato lang nakasubmit are considered our chapter and under the GMI officially. And we have already prepared our papers to be submitted also to the Security Exchange Commission basing on those membership. We have 10 chapters in Luzon, in overseas. We have 7 chapters in overseas, 10 chapters in Luzon, 3 chapters in the Visayas, and 29 chapters in Mindanao. To send the confirmation. That is based on our record sa atong National Executive Director and the membership and promotion. And those who do not submit their confirmation and roster, of course, we can no longer be registering them as charter chapter, but they can still apply after this assembly. And their entry and inclusion to our organization would be after this assembly. Okay, we even accept people who are really from the outside. Napakayandaan na to, for as long as they will go into the process, which would be discussed here in this convention. So, before we'll proceed to the business proper, I would like to confirm that the convention and the participation is already substantial to decide on matters, especially on the proceedings here as listed and submitted by your end to the National Executive Director and as approved by the Council of Elders. I think we are in quorum as for 9:05 this morning. Thank you.
Thank you, NFO Pro Simangan. Now, I would like to call back on our acting Prime Minister, Mr. Pandor Hanlangit, for the calling of order of this special National Assembly. Please, palakpakan natin.
Once again, Katuhamat, Acting Prime Minister. By virtue of the power of testimony as Acting Prime Minister is now called to order.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Pandor Hanlangit. And we'd like to call on our acting Minister of Justice, Attorney Richard N.F. Galaxy Kawayan.
Good morning, ang bunta sa atong mga brothers and sisters.
Good morning.
Okay ba yung tulog gabi, yung biyahe? Okay ba?
Okay.
Ang nakikita ko ba? Huwag ka tulog, ganun namin. My part is to explain to you why we're holding this special National Assembly today, this morning. Na ating mga dates din yun. Actually, nakatabo sa because of the napustol mo lang atong supposed election to March 22. Kaya ba naman tatangan atong March 22-23 doon natin national conversion sa Iligan. Supposedly ito ato during the schedule lagi tayo election to mura na yung mga problems ganis na sa napustol ang atong national election. Ang mga importante nga pizza mo din na yung mga problema nato. So, ang una ka ng tago, doon ay, naman tayo doon ay complaint i-file against Rolio August Sina. And, ang na-file wala na taon kung isang ito nag-file, si N.F. Margarito Maran o si N.F. Apalo. Minal. Apostol. Lumalik. So, itong complaint, ipasa sa National Justice Tribunal, formally heard by